Hello students. To find the volume of this irregular shape, we need to create a composite figure. Composite means multiple parts. In this case, we have an L block that is not a rectangular prism or a rectangle. Therefore, we need to cut this L block into two rectangles. And the way that you can do that is you can continue it along this line. And what we've done is we've created two different rectangles. But by cutting this 5 right here has been cut into two parts. Part 1 and part 2. Now, the opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. And so this part right here is going to be the same length as this part right here. We can see that that length is 2. Therefore, this side is also 2. Again, what we can see here is that we have a 5. Another part of 5 is 2. The other part would be 3. So the length from here to here is 3. So we have 3 and we have 2. Now we can find the area of our irregular shape. We can take our length times width. Our length in this case is 4. Our width is 2. So the area of our first rectangle is 8 units squared. I'll put an 8 right here to represent 8 units squared. Again, our length for this length right here is the same as the opposite side. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. This is going to be 2. Our width, there's nothing on this side labeled, so we look across. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It says 3. 2 times 3 equals 6 units squared. So I'm going to put down 6 units squared. I add that 2 together to get a total of 14 units squared. Now, that is for the area of that top face. We now see that we have 2 layers of this, 1 and 2 layers. Therefore, I can multiply 2 layers to get a total of 28 units cubed. Remember, to find the volume of a shape, you take length times width. That creates our base times height. Now you can see that this is not a rectangular prism, but we did find our base to be 14. We have 2 layers, 1 layer right here, 1 layer right here, and 2 layers. We have 2 layers, which allows us to get that 28 units cubed.